Hi library families, it's Miss Sarah from the Isville Idea Lab and Library. Thank you for joining me today for our STEAM video. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math, and I'm going to show you one of our robotics kits that can help support STEAM learning at home. So the first robot we're going to talk about is Bluebot. It's a very easy robot to use. It's clear, so you can kind of see how the mechanics work on the inside, which is really neat. It has these buttons on the top and the on switches on the bottom. So the orange buttons just tell you which way Bluebot is going to go, and then the green button is to run the code that you just programmed. So I'm just going to click a few buttons on the top here, and then I hit go and I'm ready to go, and Bluebot will drive out the code. He'll move one space for each button that you've pressed. Thank you so much for joining me for today's STEAM video. You can borrow this kit at the library if you would like to explore at home some more, and we hope to see you soon. Bye!